was looking my channel first time, please like, share and subscribe my channel. I'm going to take all mathematics, all the class from 6th class to 10th classes, state syllabus and CBSE syllabus also I'm going to take. So please subscribe my channel. So today I'm going to continue with the same chapter and same class. 7th class, lines and angles, exercise 2 we finished in the previous class. Now I'm going to take exercise 3. So before going to that, whatever we are having supplementary angles, I am going to explain the concept of that supplementary angles. Then I am going to take exercise 3. Okay. So what do you mean by supplementary angles? Supplementary angles are nothing but if you add two angles, the sum of the two angles is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. In the previous class, we had learned about complementary angles. What do you mean by complementary? Complementary angles are nothing but if you add two angles, the sum should be equal to 90, I said yesterday. Today, if we add, it should be equal to 180, then we can say that those angles are supplementary angles. So, what is that? He gave in the exercise 3 first problem, he gave the pair of angles. He is asking to check whether those pair of angles are supplementary or not. So, when you are looking this, the first figure, in that first one is 110 degrees and the second one is 70 degrees. So, if you add this sum, 110 plus 70 is equal to 180 degrees. So, yes, these are the pair of the supplementary angles. Coming to this meaning of this is 90 degrees and this is 90 degrees. 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degrees. So, this is also a pair of supplementary angles. Coming to this is 50 degrees and the third 140 degrees. If you add, you are going to get 190 degrees. It's not equal to 180. So, this pair is not belong to supplementary angles. Stop. So, second problem, you have to find the supplementary angles of the given angles. He gave you an angles over here. The first angle is 105 degrees. We have to find the supplementary angle of 105 degrees. So, we want to find what is the supplementary angle to 105. Like previous problem, how we have done in exercise 2, here also we have to take the unknown value as x. And that x and whatever we have, we got the angle. If you add, it should be equal to 180 degrees because we know that those are supplementary angles. So, in order to find x, take 105 to that side. So, 180 minus 105 you are going to get. So, x is equal to 75 degrees. So, 75 degrees is a supplementary angle for 105 degrees. Okay. In the same way, next problem we are having 20 degrees. So, what is the supplementary angle of 20 degrees? What we have to do? 20 plus x or x plus 20 will be equal to 180. I have to take. So, x is equal to 180 minus 20, which is nothing but 160 degrees. So, supplementary angle of 20 degrees is 160 degrees. In the same way, third problem we are having two acute angles cannot form a pair of supplementary angles. Justify. Is saying acute angles, two acute angles. Acute angles means two acute angles cannot form, he is saying, cannot form a pair of supplementary angles, he is saying. That means if you add two acute angles, it cannot form 180 degrees, he is saying. Okay, what are acute angles? More than 0 degrees, less than 90 degrees. 90 degrees means maximum I can take 89 degrees and 89 degrees. Both if the same, if I take same also, 89 and 89. How much you are going to get? 178 is not equal to 180 degrees. So, whatever he gave the statement to acute angles cannot form pair of supplementary angles is correct. So, he has to justify, so he can give like this example. Okay, coming to the last problem in this exercise, you are having two angles are equal it seems. So, I will take the two angles as x and they are supplementary to each other it seems. Find them. Supplementary means if you add the two angles, it should be equal to 180 and both are same he said. So, I have taken x and x only. So, 2x is equal to 180. So, in order to find x, 180 by 2 you do. So, 2 ones to 90s. So, what is that? Therefore, the two angles are 90 degrees and 90 degrees. So, by this we had finished both supplementary angles and exercise 3. In the next class, I am going to explain exercise 4 problems. And thank you very much.